Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a old school unboxing video where I'm just going to show you the actual unboxing. I don't know if you're watching this in the future or if you're watching this now, but we're currently on lockdown with the coronavirus, so I am at home. I'm not really felt like filming, so I didn't really want to appear on camera, but at the same time I wanted to show you this unboxing. So excuse my nails, they don't look that great because I haven't been able to get out and get them done, and I'm not very good at doing them myself, so I haven't done them. But this is the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. So this was the biggest box that you could get. So it just looks like this. It's a box within a box, and this was £114, and it says it's supposed to be double its value. So I did get some minis with them. So I got a mini full fat lashes. I hope you can see this alright because of the sun. And I got a mini kissing lipstick. Now this is in the shade Stoned Rose. This is going to actually be tiny, I think. Wow, okay, so this is tiny. Look at the size of it. It's so cute, but it is very tiny. Okay, so underneath the box there were some more samples. This is the new magic serum that's just come out. Some spa in a jar. And then I think this is just a card. Well, this might have my order on it. No, it doesn't. It's just a card. Turn the box upside down so we can put this box on it here. I have heard a lot of these boxes are the same. I'm not 100% on that, but what I have seen, everybody gets the same things. Let's open it up and have a look. I'm excited because I don't really have anything from Charlotte Tilbury, so everything's going to go to good use. This is actually hard to glued it down well. Shipping, I ordered this last Thursday. It is Thursday today, so it's taken a week. It was dispatched the next day, and yeah, and it's just come today. So my camera did cut out there, but I ordered the lip box as well. I ordered that the next day, and that also arrived today as well. So two different orders, both arrived today, placed at different times. So it's another box inside here. So we have so many boxes. This is a very luxury box though. What's this? Oh, it's just more paper. That's cute. So I'll put that box on top of there. It does say Magic Makeup Mystery Box, and it says Euro W, so I'm assuming that all the European ones will have got the same. Maybe if you know you're in America, Canada, you might have got something different. Okay, so let's open this up. This is exciting times. I know people will be like, oh my god, you ripped it, but I just wanted to get inside. Okay, I've just moved it, so hopefully that's a little bit better. The first thing I've got in here is the Charlotte's, this is the Magic Cream. So this is 50ml. This is quite expensive as well. We were promised to get this in this box. I'm sure this is like really expensive as well, so that's pretty cool. Next thing is this Goddess Cleansing Ritual Miracle Spa in a Jar Duo. So I'm sure this is about 50 quid as well. No, maybe not 50 quid, but I've seen it and it's quite a bit of money. So it just comes with these two cleansers. So one's a charcoal cleanser and one's like a radiance cleanser. So I'm assuming it's like a two-step system. So that's pretty cool. The next thing is the full fat lashes. So we were promised this as well in the box. I think I'm sure I've seen a video that in Canada and they were promised like a lipstick instead, but we were promised like the mascara. Next is one of the kissing lipsticks, and this is in the shade, oh, I can't see a shade on it, Stoned Rose. Okay, so the mini that we've just got, this is the full size, which is a shame. Like they had a code for like the mini, but then they've also got the full size. So this is the lipstick, a really pretty nude colour. Next on we have one of the this is the Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Charlotte Darling. So yeah, everything I've seen so far is what everybody else has got, and this is a really nice nude shade, so I'm glad that I got this. So that's the colour. I hope you can see it because the sun's really in the way, but yeah, that is Charlotte Darling. Next item is one of the colour chameleons. That's an eyeshadow pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Pearl. So let's open this up and have a look. So if you can see that there, I wouldn't call that pearl at all. It's more of like a browny grey, and it's just like an eyeshadow pencil. And then the last thing in the box is this Beauty Light wand. Now this is in the shade Goldgasm. So I'm assuming this is like a highlighter. Well, yeah, easy highlighter it's called. So it just looks like this. Right, okay, so that is the box. So you get the highlighter, you get the lipstick in Stoned Rose. That's the box for it. That's another box. I'm just surrounded by boxes. You get the eyeshadow pencil. That's the box. You get the liquid lipstick. I'm glad that I got that. That's probably my favourite item. You get the mascara. I mean, I normally have lash extensions, but within the lockdown I'm having to wear mascara, so we'll give that a go. Then you get the cream, which probably makes it worth the box, and then you get the glowing goddess set. Yeah, I think overall it was a really nice order, but I think it is quite expensive, so I probably wouldn't do it again. So thanks for watching. I hope the sun wasn't too bad, and I'll hopefully see you again soon. Bye.